What did you see, Hanky?
Flowers.
You saw some flowers?
Yes. Look at this, big.
Oh wow, those are so nice, aren't they?
This is the old jungle, maybe.
Rufus, where are you?
I'm just in the other back. I'm just in Evan's back.
Oh, you're next to where Evan usually sits?
Yeah.
Hi, pal.
Hi.
Hey guys, do you know where we're going today?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
This.
This building?
Yeah.
It's called the Botanical Gardens. Does that sound exciting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And is there a beach out there?
A beach? No, not today.
No, Daddy,
What's at a garden?
What is it?
What do you find it? Yeah, flowers. Good job, hey?
Flowers.
So yeah, we're going to see some flowers today.
Yeah.
What colours do you think they'll be?
Yellow.
Yellow. Any other colours?
Purple.
Purple?
Yeah. No, some are pink on the,
Oh yeah, we can see some pink ones
and
already.
and Nana have a white one.
Oh, Nana has white ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys ordered them, didn't you, at Nana's house?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to go explore here?
Yeah.
Does that sound good? We might see some birds in the trees, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But we can't see some. Look at the
Well,
tree.
let's go find some, okay? Go find some birdies?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Birdies have like nests and they nests will grow and there'll be eggs inside it.
Oh yeah, and then little baby birds will come out of the nest? I mean the eggs.
And look at Minty. Is that funny? No.
Are you and Mummy's seeds?
Yes.
Where are the boys today? Where are the big boys?
Taco.
At Parkour, yeah.
Mommy's at Taco.
And Mummy's at Parkour. Alright, who's ready to go?
Me.
Yeah, they're little petals, aren't they? Oh, we found purple ones. Yeah, no touching these ones though, Rufus.
And blue flowers, and white flowers, and pink flowers.
Oh, that's wonderful. So many different kinds. There's no sign that says which way to go. But lucky we have a map. Look.
Yeah, and hold it. But it said, what we go all the way, Daddy. What it said, Daddy.
Which way do we want to go? I think this is where we've started.
Yeah.
And we'll go follow this yellow path. Does that sound good?
Yeah. And we will go down to this thing, Daddy.
Yeah? And that's the exit, isn't it?
What eggs?
Exit. That's where we exit.
What eggs?
No.
Eggs at this.
No eggs, guys.
Dad, the crow.
Oh, bye, Crow.
He's over there still. He's still over there.
Yeah. Alright, let's go this way.
Okay. Oh, that gate. Daddy, that gate over there.
Do you think this is the way we go?
Yeah, I like food.
You want to hold my hand?
Yeah. Daddy, it smells like food.
Yeah, I think there's a restaurant over here.
Water, Daddy. If you go in the water, you'll turn into a ducky, Daddy. I smell pancakes.
You smell pancakes? They probably do those here, don't they?
Daddy, what happens if you go in the water? You turn into a ducky.
A ducky? You turn into one? Yeah, the ducks and the fish live in the water, don't they?
Yeah. Where's the fishy? There's only food in the water, Daddy.
I don't know if there's any fish in there.
No. Look, this is the way for the eggs go, Daddy. That's the yellow path. waterfall, Daddy. That's a waterfall, Daddy.
It is a waterfall. Wow, it's a huge waterfall.
No, the ducky will go down the waterfall. What did ducky do? Really go down the waterfall?
Oh, that would be a bit scary for them, wouldn't it?
Daddy, what happens if Daddy, what happens if they go up there?
I don't think they can go up the waterfall.
No.
I wonder if we'll see any ducks today.
No, there's no ducks.
We'll look for ducks and birds and fish. Hey guys, there's a spider web over here.
Spider web, yeah.
Who can spot the spider?
Where's the spider?
I think it's right there. It's very small. Who can see it?
Me. It's small. It's small.
It's tiny, 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 tiny.
Don't touch the spider, Daddy.
No, let's leave it alone. Alright, let's go.
Bye, spider.
Alright guys, so we're at the Botanical Gardens today. We haven't been here before. We've been to King's Park, but we've never been to this one. What is it?
Light.
A light? Yeah, that probably goes on at night time. Yeah, we don't want to splash the puddles because we've got our shoes on, Pearly.
What?
We've only got our shoes on today, no boots. And the big ones are at parkour today. So, me and the triplets.
End.
I don't think it's the end, but it's just a park. Oh no, what's he doing?
The truck's coming.
The truck's coming. What do you think he's doing?
No, he's putting the sand in his. Hello.
Alright guys, we found some white flowers.
Yes. Daddy, one's growing. I said over here.
Yeah, those ones are going to come out soon because it's spring and that's when all the flowers come out.
They won't come out.
Oh yay! And what's on the other side, guys?
The open.
Pearl, what's on this side? On this side.
Purple.
Yay!
Pink.
Pink ones?
Yeah, pink ones. What? Another red.
Well, they're going to come out soon because it's just the beginning of spring.
Look at Daddy, look at another spider, little tiny spider.
Oh, this one's a bigger spider now.
Don't stop.
You can probably see this one, Pearl. Can you see that one up here?
Daddy, I want a can.
Where my finger is? Can you see where my finger is?
Yeah.
Can you see the spider?
Big spider.
Big spider. He's waiting for a fly to come in so he can eat the little fly.
Yeah, no, then the fly will be sad.
He would be sad, wouldn't he?
No,
Spiders
Daddy.
eat all sorts of insects.
Yeah, Daddy, look, Daddy, at that spider.
Oh wow.
Don't touch it. Is it tiny? Is it big kid? No, it's a big kid spider.
A big kid spider.
Eyes.
Do you? The
Yes.
spider's eyes?
Yes. I see spider's eyes. I can see it. Oh, it's flowers. Look, there's yellow inside. Look, I like it. Bee, finished honey.
Is there a bee in there?
No, he finished like honey, Daddy.
Yeah, that's where the bees get all the pollen from flowers.
And they finished his honey. And
Yeah.
look,
They
Leaf.
bring the pollen back to their hive. Isn't that clever?
It will be. When are they coming?
They might, yeah.
Oh, look, pink flowers.
Oh, lovely.
Finish them, Daddy. Finish them. And the other. Hey, Daddy, this way, that way. They're for froggies, Daddy.
Oh yeah, they're like lily pads, aren't they?
Where are them?
Do you think there's any frogs in there?
No.
No, I can't see any, can we? What did you see, guys?
Guana.
What are they called? Like a little lizard?
No, it has that big tail.
It does have a big tail, but it's still very little, isn't it? Compared to a big goanna.
It'll be a little. No.
Alright, let's go up, guys. Up the stairs we go. Up, 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 up. Hey guys, look up. What's in the sky?
What? A big flower. A big flower. Look at here.
Rufus, what's up there?
A big flower on the tree.
Whoa, that's huge, isn't it?
Not a big, not a glow.
That is a big flower, isn't it?
And Daddy.
It's bigger than you guys.
Daddy, bee glowing that big flower.
I don't know, maybe a special type of bee would.
Daddy, what?
What do you
What
reckon?
happens if a big giant bee comes and it will bring that honey?
It might.
Yeah, I think there's no pollen in that one, Daddy.
I do know that was a fake flower, by the way.
Oh, this is cute.
The pond! We made it!
Spider web! Spider web! I got the spider web!
There's so many spiders here, isn't there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep going. Whoa, look how big those trees are, guys.
Let's go on that big tree, maybe.
Maybe. We haven't seen any birds today, have we?
Yeah. We haven't. Look, spider webs up there.
Do you think big spiders go up there?
Oh, froggies!
We didn't see any froggies, did we?
But we are going to seeing them.
Oh, that would be good, but maybe they're not here yet. Maybe they come out later in the year.
There's 6 trees that I have that are
We
leaves.
do. That's very clever, Pearl. We have this one at our house, don't we? In the backyard. Hey guys.
And that's big, Daddy.
Guys, I see a bird up really high in the tree. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that.
Maybe when we grown up one. I can't see a bird.
I'll try and zoom in for the camera, but maybe I'll show you.
I can see it.
You can see it?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. It kind of looks like a kookaburra. So we're all in the photo?
Daddy.
Yeah?
If you don't hold it, it's down.
Oh, we gotta hold the map, do we?
Yeah. On the phone, it will be dead, Daddy.
No, paper can't fly.
No, it can't. Paper can't bad. Bye.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye. Turn off chickens and chickies and eggs and birdies and fishies.